Today is day 41 of raising broiler meat chicken, and so far I need to bring you up to speed. We have used 8.5 bags of feed because of our target. Yeah, that is why we used 8.5, and the birds are looking well. During the previous week we treated coccidiosis, and we are using the remaining content of tetracycline we have left. Tomorrow we are going to be using ordinary water for them, and so far we lost 2 birds. We are left with 49 birds. We started with 51, now we are left with 49. Thanks to those people that started their own broiler meat chicken farm as a result of this little training. I want to wish you well, and I'm so glad I'm able to impact into someone's life with this my little quota. Yeah, I pray you win your word as well. Yeah. So to your greatness and to our progress. Yeah, my name is Samuel. In case you don't know my name, you only know Mololuwa farm. Mololuwa is actually not my name. That's the name of the farm. My whole name is Samuel. Stay safe. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Follow me if you are watching me on TikTok.